Hey, Pentax tips here. I'm going to show you how to get these flimsy doors on the older Pentax flashes working for you again. It's not a problem with the newer flashes. They've redid the door, thankfully, and the newer flashes are highly recommended for these new doors. On the older flashes, I've seen tutorials on how to drill a screw through the door to keep it in place into this front panel here. But I'm going to show you a non-destructive tip that can keep that door shut. So the problem is that the door doesn't have enough strength to stay closed. You just need a little bit of pressure on that door to keep the flash turned on. And I'm going to solve that problem with some zip ties. I'll put one zip tie in the corner and one up top in the corner. Pull the zip ties nice and tight. There we go. You can cut the ends off. I'm just doing this one for a demonstration. And now there's enough pressure on that door to keep your flash working. And if you need access to the battery door, you can just pop off the zip tie and put it back on once you've changed out your batteries. Great. So now we can, it's not the most aesthetic fix, but it allows these flashes to still be used. If you like this content and you want to see more like it, please like and subscribe.